we already discussed कि patient को बहुत सारा pain होगा, effusion होगा, joint में swelling होगी, joint के around swelling होगी, range कम होगा. So we have to go for the price. Price is basically protective bracing for the relative rest. If brace is needed and relative rest, we should not put pressure over that particular limb. Icing to reduce the swelling, compression for the swelling and for the blood circulation, elevation is again for the swelling and for the blood circulation. Gait training, assisted device definitely is needed if the patient is not able to walk. Patellar mobilization is necessary, grade 1 and grade 2 only, because if he is not moving his knee joint, maybe the patella gets stuck, and once his patella is able to move, he might be able to bend some leg and it reduce some swelling as well. Muscle setting. Muscle setting is basically to gain the torque in the muscle. As we already discussed कि हमारे पास torque के लिए, torque generate करने के लिए one of the best exercises is isometric. And one more thing, in ACL rehab, basically whenever we'll discuss about the ACL rehab, this is necessary to discuss about the protocol which says that there is a 3-point pressure. 3-point pressure will always able to correct and to restore the joint. So in this one, the 3-point pressure belongs to quadriceps, hamstring, and calf. If these three are coordinated and well stabilized, then the further injury is not possible. It may not possible until or unless something has happened to you. The other thing is, it may rehabilitate yourself early. Even you can get back to your field. If you are a sports person, you'll get back to your field early. And if you are a normal person, you definitely go back to your work as early as possible. Stretches of, so in this one, these are the isometric quads, hamstring, abduction, assisted SLR, and stretching of calf muscles. I'm just about to show you some video about this. We'll start with the calf stretches. See, there is always a rule, as we are a physios, so we always knew there is always a rule. Whenever you want to start, you have to start with the warm-up. Can you see this? Yeah, this one is the calf stretches. Again, I'm going to play this one. Pull your ankle. Hold it for 5 seconds. You may ask your patient to hold it for 10 seconds if he can, but initially it is very difficult for them. Pull your ankle. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Now, the second is isometric quads or quad setting. See, you can see this thing in this one. He is having a tight quads, weak quads, and tight hamstrings. So he is not able to press this down. This may lead further any kind of injury. So we have to strengthen the quads. Again, I'm playing this video. Yeah. Now the next is isometric hams. See, he's trying his best, but he's not able to do that. Again, you can see this. Yeah. Now the next is abduction. There are different level of abductions. Yeah. The first one is patient is not able to lift his leg. Now, after a few weeks and after a few days of practicing this exercise, his muscles are able to generate some torque, so now he's able to lift. Now, after a few weeks, now he's able to lift his leg and this movement very well. We can repeat this one. Yeah, this one is done. In the acute phase of the pain is slightly better than before. Now he's improving. Yeah. Now, after a few period of time, when his muscles are able to do against the gravity activity, we have to start these exercises. Let's see, you can make out this thing that is still he's not able to hold it for long. Yeah. Now the next one is adduction. Yeah. See, his muscles are weak. He won't be able to do the adduction. See, he's much better than before because now he's able to lift his leg against the gravity. Now the next is SLR. Yeah. Yeah. His muscle control is definitely improving. Now, as we already discussed this thing, so we already discussed these 4 exercises. Again, I'm repeating the same. We'll go for the protection of the joint, relative rest, eyes, compression, elevation. Then we have to taught him according to the gait training with the assisted device if he needed. Then patella mobilization for the further movement of the knee joint or to improve the range of motion or to induce the initiation of the range of motion. Now the next is muscle setting में we already discussed and I already showed you the videos about the quadriceps, hamstring, abduction, and basically we did the 3 different grades of abduction according to the muscle grade, muscle strength. The next is assisted SLR. Assisted SLR, if your patient is able to do that, it's fair enough. If he is not, then you have to help your patient. Now the last one is calf stretches. So in this one, we have to start with the warm up, which is called calf stretches, 5 repetitions, 10-second hold, and we have to cool down during these 2 weeks with this one because the other stretches are not possible. Maybe possible, but the patient is not able to do it because of the pain. Now the second is second level of rehab is between second to fourth week. Continue hongi same exercises so we can able to generate the torque. SLR in 4 planes. 4 planes is the sense is when you're straight leg, you are raising your straight leg in all 4 direction like flexion, extension, abduction, and adduction. Right? The other one is gait training. Gait training is possible by the help of few exercises like toe standing and heel standing, close quads. Let's see the video about this. Yeah. See, by the help of some chair or table or maybe the slab, patient is trying to put the weight on the legs. Now, heel raises. This is one of the important exercise for the balancing. Without moving the trunk, you have to lift the heel. Perfect. Now, close chain exercise in the minimum range, which is called as squats in the pain-free zone. See, by the help of some slab, chair, table. Yeah. So we are done till the 2nd and 4th week. and we have to continue this thing, which can help our patient to recover fast. Now, low load PRE hamstring. PRE hamstring means कि जिसमें आपके hamstring पे load ना हो और वो सारी exercises कर पाए. The second is initiation of open chain knee extension. The third is pelvic and trunk and pelvic stabilization. The fourth is aerobic conditioning. See,